This moment was a real turning point in my life. I'd traveled all over the world and seen some incredible places and met some wonderful people. But it was only when I came to Colombia that I was truly inspired in my jewelry design. It was such a journey of discovery. And by finding out about the country's magical history, I was able to appreciate the true value of the riches produced by the land today. I had always known about the legend of El Dorado and the mythical city made of gold. But this trip, I decided to retrace its steps, immerse myself in it, and see what I could find out and where this journey would take me. In search of answers, I was drawn to a special museum. There stood before these brilliantly vivid, majestic green gems. I had an epiphany. I felt such a strong connection to these emeralds. It was almost magnetic, and I could see how these magical green gems were the perfect complement to the gold described in the legend. I understood why throughout history, people have been so fascinated. So I decided to investigate further and find out more about these precious gems that had had such an impact on me. In hot pursuit, I decided to go to Boyacá, the region of Colombia which produces these special gems. As I arrived, I was overwhelmed by the beauty here. Its panoramas, spectacular nature, the friendly faces. It was a wonderfully warm welcome. And it is here, deep within the earth in this magical corner of Colombia, that these emeralds are created. I headed off to where the mines are located and was pleasantly surprised to discover that these days they are using innovation and modern techniques to extract the gems. Working together, united by a common goal, watching these miners head off to work, I felt such a sense of admiration for them. That's when it came to me. I'd found the new El Dorado. This is an industry that shines out as an example. And there is no better match than the lustrous gold with the deep, mystical green of the emeralds. It was wonderful to see. And the people? Well, they made this trip so special for me. They represented the very best of Colombia, always giving their all. What an inspiration! I learned so much, and it reconnected me to my greatest passion. Because by understanding Colombia's emerald industry, I found I could reflect not only the beauty of the stones, but the beauty of this special country in my jewelry, so that these gems could take their rightful place, standing out on the world stage. In my mind, the new Dorado is a vivid green, and the future of this great industry shines as bright as the gems it creates. I can't wait to return.